Snap the thread and you have to buy a whole new hub. Yo, what you saying YouTube? I've bought a few little bits for the ST, so we're going to have a shorter video than normal, but I'm going to show you putting on my new aerial and my new armrest. I've got a few videos of me actually putting the armrest onto the handbrake plastics at work because I had a drill, so I'm going to put them in here and then I'll show you actually putting on, or putting in the whole unit to the Fiesta. Yeah, for a close-up, you saw in the video I sprayed these black because they were silver and I didn't really want them to kind of be silver when the rest is black. But this is what the whole piece together looks like. I think it looks really good, to be honest. It's got, so that bit adjusts forward. So if you're sitting back or forward, I assume you can rest it a little bit, or rest drum a little bit closer. You've got this little pocket thing as well that you can kind of just take out. Is it going to focus? Yeah, so if you had stuff that you had in your car that you wanted with you, it's got this little pocket bit with a bit that attaches to your belt or your trousers. Which is kind of cool, I guess. I probably won't use it. And it's got a little storage bit for pens and whatever down there. The aerial is just a shorter red and black aerial. I'm not sure if it's going to give me any better signal, but the signal around here is pretty rubbish anyway. Also, just spent silly money on a new cage for the rats. Look at the size of it. Let me try and... So I'm 6'3". Don't know if you can tell the video. And it is literally up to there. The only annoying thing is, the rats. And if you can see, they keep pushing out all the food. And there's the new boy. Hey, Blue. Yeah, it's as simple as just clicking the handbrake plastics back in to get it in. Yeah, I'm well chuffed with that. It's got some kind of adjustable heights, I guess. Probably have it about there. Test if you can, yeah, you can still do the handbrake. Sweet! So this is what it looks like kind of in context with the rest of the interior. I think it really suits it. It's got the kind of same leatherette style, or leather style on the top. Going to the driver's side. Yeah, I really like it. Next is getting rid of this thing. The only thing is, it's a slightly kind of metallic red compared to the Colorado blue, Colorado red of the Fiesta, but still goes with the black and red theme I've got going. Yeah, I think that looks a lot smarter than the big nasty aerials. So yeah, job 1, job 2. I was literally just about to pump up the spare tyre because it looks a bit flat, and these two have just come completely, well, like yeah, just these two have literally come completely loose. We moved into this new place. Wildlife literally loves us. Look at that. Fucking one thing or another with this car, innit? Just snap the head of that off. Shit, man.
Walk out the door, you see someone that you know and they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Look. Go and fucking snap the thread, innit? You have to buy a whole new hub. For fuck's sake. Looks like I'm going to have to leave it up on stands. That's so annoying, man. I won't even get to use the armrest. I think I'm just going to buy like a whole new hub. Annoyingly, this is the side that I changed the wheel bearing on, but I can't be asked to like take out the wheel bearing again, repress it in, and yeah, I think I'm just going to buy a full hub, like a second-hand one. So yeah, that was supposed to be a nice chill little video where I just show you my new armrest and my new aerial, but everything with that car is a hassle. Right, yeah, I reckon I'm just going to buy a second-hand hub, put it on there, and hopefully get it done. Well, I've got work tomorrow, but I'm going to have to get a lift off someone. Yeah, try and maybe get it done on Sunday. I've got a wedding to go to on the weekend as well, so that's right dodgy timing, I guess. Also, just an update with the wheels. I've found a pair of wheels that I want. I'm going to get them new, but I've basically been selling a few things on eBay to fund it, so some of my old music gear I don't use anymore. I've sold some stuff, but the money is going to be released from PayPal on like the 24th, so I've still got to wait for the money to come back, well, to come from PayPal to actually have access to the funds to buy the wheels. I don't know why, like, PayPal's never done it to me before, but they're holding it for, yeah, until the 24th. They sold like last week, so when I get the money back from them, I can get the new wheels. But first of all, we've got to tackle this hub, I guess. Right, thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll catch you next time when I'll probably be fixing my hub. Fuck's sake.